feel about this storm that didn't really happen?
Well, it's not too bad. I wish we would have had a lot more, but you know, you go out and snow blow, you might as well get as much as you can.
Yeah.
But day off from work, and what else can I say?
Yeah. So you've experienced snowstorms around here before?
Yes.
How does this compare?
This is a little one.
Yeah.
Not what I expected. Probably 4 or 5 inches anyway. That's all it looks to me.
Yeah.
I'm Liam, that's Jackie. We're building an amazing snow fort in here.
Yeah? When did you start?